Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Capacitor Exotic Assault Rifle in Division 2. This weapon is a game changer for agents who rely on their skills, offering a substantial boost to their offensive capabilities. Its unique talent, capacitance, allows you to build up to 40 stacks, each granting 1.5% skill damage. Plus, for every utility core on your gear, you gain an additional 7.5% weapon damage, making it incredibly versatile. The exclusive way to initially acquire the capacitor is by venturing into the summit. You'll need to complete 5 specific challenges during one continuous run through this skyscraper. These challenges are presented in 2 categories, tactical and ascent. It's crucial to finish all 5 within the same summit session, as resetting your progress will also reset your challenge count. This method ensures you earn this powerful exotic rifle. To efficiently complete the summit challenges, activate 1 tactical and 1 ascent challenge at a time. Focus on simpler objectives, such as achieving 35 headshot kills or 35 skill kills, which can be done quickly. Setting the summit difficulty to normal will also make these tasks much easier and faster to accomplish. Teaming up with a friend allows both your progress to count towards shared objectives, accelerating your acquisition of the capacitor. After you successfully unlock the capacitor through the summit challenges, it becomes part of the game's general exotic loot pool. This means you can then acquire additional copies by engaging in targeted loot farming for assault rifles across different activities. Furthermore, opening exotic caches also offers a chance to receive the capacitor. This provides opportunities to find one with better attributes or to equip your other agent characters with this exceptional weapon.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.